Reconnect with the earth. Feel better now. Imagine the sensation of cool grass beneath your feet or the warm sand between your toes. These simple pleasures can do wonders for your well-being. Do you want more energy? Imagine starting your day with a burst of vitality, feeling refreshed and ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. Less stress, better sleep. Picture yourself drifting into a deep, restful sleep, free from the worries and anxieties that often plague our minds. The answer might be right beneath your feet. The earth itself holds a natural remedy that can help you achieve these benefits. It's called grounding or earthing. This practice involves making direct contact with the earth's surface, allowing its energy to flow into your body. It's simple. Connect directly to the earth. Whether it's through your feet, hands, or even your entire body, the connection is what matters. Grounding is like plugging into a natural battery. Just as we recharge our devices, we can recharge ourselves by connecting with the earth. The earth has a gentle energy that can make you feel better. This energy is subtle yet powerful, capable of enhancing your overall well-being. It's free and available to everyone. No special equipment or expensive memberships are required. Nature offers this gift to all of us. All you need to do is make contact. Feel the earth beneath you and let its energy flow through you. Walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. These natural surfaces are perfect for grounding and can be found almost anywhere. Sit or lie down on the ground. Take a moment to relax and let go of your stress, allowing the earth's energy to rejuvenate you. Let the earth's energy flow into you. Feel the connection and embrace the sense of calm and balance it brings. It's that easy to begin your grounding journey. Start small and gradually make grounding a part of your daily routine. Take off your shoes and feel the difference. Experience the benefits of grounding for yourself and discover a natural way to enhance your well-being. The Earth's energy, your secret weapon. The Earth is full of negative electrons. These electrons act like antioxidants in your body. They neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that damage your cells. Grounding helps your body fight inflammation. Inflammation is linked to many health problems. Heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer are connected to inflammation. By reducing inflammation, grounding may help you feel better overall. It can boost your energy, improve your sleep, and even lift your mood. Think of the earth as a giant reset button for your health. Calm your nerves. Grounding for relaxation. Stress is a normal part of life, but too much stress is bad for you. It can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other health issues. Grounding can help calm your nervous system. When you're grounded, your body goes into a state of relaxation. This is because grounding helps regulate your autonomic nervous system. Your heart rate slows down, your blood pressure lowers, your muscles relax. You feel more peaceful and centered. Grounding is like a mini vacation for your mind and body. Sleep deeply. Grounding for restful nights. Do you have trouble sleeping? You're not alone. Millions of people suffer from insomnia and other sleep problems. Grounding can help you get a better night's sleep. It helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. Grounding also lowers your cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone that can keep you awake at night. When you ground before bed, you may fall asleep faster. You may also sleep more soundly through the night. Wake up feeling refreshed and energized with the power of grounding. Feeling down. Grounding can help lift your spirits. Studies show that grounding can reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression. Grounding may also increase your energy levels. This can give you the motivation to get active and enjoy life more. Even a few minutes of grounding can make a difference. So next time you're feeling stressed or down, take off your shoes and step outside. Feel the sun on your skin and the earth beneath your feet. It's a recipe for happiness. Ready to experience the benefits of grounding? Grounding, also known as earthing, is a simple practice that can have profound effects on your well-being. It involves connecting your body directly with the earth, allowing you to absorb the natural energy from the ground. This can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost your overall mood. It's easier than you think. You don't need any special equipment or training to get started, just a willingness to spend some time outdoors and connect with nature. Here are a few simple ways to get started. Walk barefoot outdoors. This is one of the most effective and straightforward methods of grounding. When you walk barefoot, you allow your body to directly connect with the Earth's surface, which can help balance your body's electrical charge. Find a grassy park, sandy beach, or even just your backyard. These natural surfaces are perfect for grounding. The grass, sand, and soil all provide a direct connection to the Earth's energy. Take off your shoes and socks and walk for at least 30 minutes. This allows enough time for your body to absorb the Earth's energy and start feeling the benefits. You might notice a sense of calm and relaxation as you walk. Sit or lie down on the ground. If walking isn't your thing, you can still ground yourself by sitting or lying down on the earth. This can be a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. Find a comfortable spot outdoors and relax. Bring a blanket or a mat if you prefer, but make sure your skin is in direct contact with the ground. This will help you maximize the benefits of grounding. Read a book, listen to music, or simply close your eyes and enjoy the feeling of the earth beneath you. Use this time to disconnect from your daily stresses and reconnect with nature. You can also practice mindfulness or meditation while grounding to enhance the experience. If you can't get outside easily, you can still enjoy the benefits of grounding with a grounding mat. These mats are designed to mimic the effects of walking barefoot on the earth. They are especially useful for people who live in urban areas or have limited access to natural spaces. These mats connect to the ground wire of your electrical outlet, allowing you to ground indoors. Simply plug the mat into the outlet and place it on the floor or on your bed. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase your time. As you become more accustomed to grounding, you can extend your sessions to an hour or more. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your grounding routine accordingly. You'll be amazed at the difference grounding can make. Many people report feeling more energized, less stressed, and more connected to the world around them. So why not give it a try? Take a step outside, kick off your shoes, and start grounding today. Your body and mind will thank you. Here are more ideas for incorporating grounding into your life. Gardening. Get your hands dirty and connect with the earth while you tend to your plants. Outdoor exercise. Take your workout outside and enjoy the benefits of grounding while you exercise. Picnics. Spread out a blanket and enjoy a meal in nature, grounding during breaks. If you work indoors, take your breaks outside and walk barefoot on the grass. You can ground anywhere, anytime. Make it a part of your daily routine. Grounding and mindfulness go hand in hand. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment. Grounding helps you connect with your body and the environment around you. When you're grounded, you're more aware of your senses. You feel the ground beneath your feet. You smell the fresh air. You hear the birds singing. This heightened awareness can help you feel more centered and calm. Practice mindfulness while you're grounding. Focus on your breath. Notice the sensations in your body. Let go of your thoughts and worries. Experience the power of the present moment with grounding and mindfulness. There are a few misconceptions about grounding. Let's set the record straight. Some people think grounding is just a new age fad, but the truth is, humans have been connecting with the earth for centuries. Our ancestors walked barefoot, farmed the land, and lived in close harmony with nature. It's only recently, with the advent of modern city life and technology, that we've become disconnected from this natural source of healing. Our busy urban lifestyles and constant use of smartphones and gadgets have distanced us from the earth. Another common myth is that you need expensive equipment to ground. Many people believe that special gadgets or devices are necessary to experience the benefits of grounding. In reality, the best way to ground is to simply walk barefoot outdoors. Whether it's on grass, sand, or soil, direct contact with the earth is all you need. You don't need any fancy gadgets or equipment. Just take off your shoes and let your feet connect with the ground. Some people also believe that grounding is a cure-all for every ailment. It's important to understand that grounding is not a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with healthcare professionals for any medical issues. However, grounding can be a powerful complementary practice to support your overall health and well-being. It can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance your mood. So don't let these myths prevent you from experiencing the benefits of grounding. Embrace the simplicity of connecting with the earth and enjoy the positive effects it can have on your life. People all over the world are experiencing the amazing benefits of grounding. Here are just a few examples. Use grounding to recover from injuries faster and improve their performance. Find that grounding helps them fall asleep easier and sleep more soundly through the night. Report feeling calmer and more relaxed after grounding. These are just a few examples of how grounding is changing lives. Could you be next? Grounding is a simple yet powerful way to improve your health and well-being. It's free, natural, and available to everyone. I encourage you to give grounding a try. Start with a few minutes each day and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the difference it can make. Share your grounding experiences with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about this incredible natural healing modality.